Hey everyone, want to make Cloud AI easier on your eyes by enabling dark mode? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode step by step. Yeah, whether you prefer a darker interface at night or simply like the look of dark themes, this guide will help you change the setting quickly. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard or workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before changing any preferences. Once you're inside Cloud AI, open your Profile menu or Settings section. Look for options like Settings, Preferences, Appearance, Theme, or Display Settings. This is where you can usually control how the interface looks. Next, find the Theme or Appearance option and select it. You may see choices such as Light Mode, Dark Mode, or System Default. Choose Dark Mode to switch the interface to a darker theme. After selecting Dark Mode, save your changes if required. Some platforms update the appearance instantly, while others may ask you to refresh the page before the new theme appears. Once Dark Mode is enabled, check the dashboard, menus, and other sections to make sure the new theme is applied correctly. Using Dark Mode can make the screen more comfortable, especially in low-light environments. If you cannot find the Dark Mode option, check your browser settings or device theme settings. Some applications automatically follow your system appearance preferences, so that's how you enable dark mode in Cloud AI. Changing your theme can create a more comfortable viewing experience while using AI tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.